Welcome to Multiple Perspectives. This is your weekend view where we bring you the latest insights and trends in real estate investing. I'm Ashley Shoemaker. In today's session, I'm thrilled to introduce the Premier Partner Program. Over the years, EquityMultiple has collaborated with over 100 different sponsors and operating partners, among whom several have consistently delivered robust returns, timely reporting, and ultimately created a lasting and reliable relationship with EquityMultiple. We aim to recognize the diligent efforts of these firms and inform our investors about what sets them apart. Joining me today is Dan Mila, Head of Real Estate at EquityMultiple, to discuss the specifics of the program and the standards required for inclusion. Welcome, Dan. Tell me about the Premier Partnership Program.
Thanks, Ashley. You really nailed it. So when we meet a sponsor and are evaluating a transaction, we first categorize that sponsor as either emerging, experienced, or institutional. Sponsorship underwriting is similar to a property business plan underwriting in that it mixes a little art and a little science. So while there are hard criteria like AUM and number of transactions that have gone round trip, etc., there's a lot more art to it, and you know it when you see it. And the first sponsor in our Premier Partner Program, Larson Capital Management, checks a lot of those boxes. They have a long list of successful developments, they have a large and successful wealth management business, and have an institutionally built out management structure focused really on compliance and risk mitigation. These are diligence items that generally require being in business to truly confirm. You can and do more than baseline diligence with a sponsor, including previous partner interviews and capital market provider interviews and getting deeper into their background. All that being said, LCM has proven themselves in our working experience, and as such has earned the spot as our first designated Premier Partner.
That's right, and as our first Premier Partner, we are anticipating the launch of an investment opportunity with Larson Capital Management next week. This asset is a de-risked multifamily development in a highly ranked market just outside of Charlotte, North Carolina, with significant upside potential. The offering is projected to have favorable returns, so be on the lookout for this particular opportunity. If you have any questions regarding the Premier Partner Program or any of our offerings, please reach out to us at ir@equitymultiple.com. Thanks for tuning in to the Weekend View. See you next week.
This communication is not to be construed as an offer to sell or the solicitation of an offer to buy any security or provide investment advice. Any such offer or solicitation can only be made by means of the delivery of a confidential private offering memorandum. To the extent that performance information is contained in this podcast, past performance is not necessarily indicative of the future results, and all figures are estimated and unaudited unless otherwise noted.